Assalamualaikum. My name is Ainul Natasha binti Khairul Anwar. I am from AS222, Bachelor in Science Chemistry with Management. In this video, I would like to present my thesis entitled A Review on the Potential of Lemongrass Essential Oil as Antifungal Agent. This presentation consists of introduction, literature review, conclusion, and recommendations. These are the contents of the first chapter. In the last 2 decades, it was reported that the epidemiology of systemic fungal diseases has grown rapidly. It was also found that the essential oils have been commonly used as antibacterial and antifungal agents for medicinal purposes. The biological action of this essential oil is influenced by their chemical components, and due to its wide range of pharmacological and therapeutic benefits, lemongrass essential oil is now one of the most significant essential oil in the healthcare industry. Also, currently, lemongrass is a well-known topic for researchers as there are quite a number of studies regarding this essential oil, especially on its antifungal activity. For the problem statement, although the advancement in medical care has significantly prolonged the lifespan of the population, this development has also contributed to the possibility of fungal infections in most people. Also, despite having current antifungal drugs such as azoles and echinocandins, these drugs have a number of limitations in terms of toxicity, activity spectrum, safety, and pharmacokinetic features. Next, for the significance of study, given the introduction of new and effective synthetic drugs into the market, lemongrass is considered an affordable and readily available option. It is believed that new medicines and alternative treatment can be beneficial for medical care. Hence, traditional remedies such as the use of essential oil may be a necessary solution. Previous studies also have reported that the lemongrass essential oil is effective in treating fungal infections. Therefore, this study will be an important attempt to explore the potential of lemongrass essential oil as antifungal agent. The objectives of this study include to study the suitable extraction methods to extract the lemongrass essential oil, to identify the chemical composition of lemongrass essential oil that contains antifungal properties, and to examine the antifungal mechanism and the stability of the lemongrass essential oil in different types of mediums such as cream, gel, and SNEDDS. This led to the research questions, which are: what are the potential chemical compositions in lemongrass essential oil that can act as antifungal agents? What are the suitable extraction methods to extract lemongrass essential oil? And why is this technique chosen compared to the others? And lastly, how is the mechanism of lemongrass essential oil as antifungal agent? And what are the suitable stability tests for different types of antifungal agents such as cream, gel, and SNEDDS. Okay, so now let's proceed with the literature review. Firstly, lemongrass or Cymbopogon citratus is believed to originate in Malaysia and is now extensively planted both commercially and in garden. In Asia, it is commonly used as an important component of health. Lemongrass is a versatile plant as it has different roles in different fields such as food flavoring and medicinal purposes. It was also found that lemongrass is one of the major global oil-bearing plants. And also, lemongrass functions as an effective remedy. Next, the extraction of lemongrass essential oil. Although lemongrass essential oil is traditionally extracted using distillation method, recent studies have found that microwave-assisted extraction is a better method in extracting the oil due to its higher antibacterial and antioxidant activities, including shorter isolation times and cleaner features. To identify the chemical composition of lemongrass essential oil, previous studies have used GCMS with helium as mobile phase. The chemical composition of lemongrass essential oil consists of citral, methylheptane, myrcene, linalool, limonene oxide, verbenol, cariphyllene oxide, neryl, geraniol, and geranyl acetate. Studies on the antifungal activity of lemongrass essential oil have found that the oil has an effective antifungal effect on various kinds of fungi. For example, according to Bukhatem et al., lemongrass oil was the most effective against Candida albicans and Candida parapsilosis. The antifungal components of lemongrass essential oil are geraniol, neryl, and geraniol. These components interact mostly with the cell wall of the fungi, change the shape of the cell wall, reduce the production, and induce cell damage. Formulation of lemongrass antifungal cream consists of preparation of oil phase and aqueous phase before the formulation is developed. It was found that shea butter and palm oil are proven to be good additives in the formulation of hydrophilic antifungal creams that contains essential oil. Stability tests on the antifungal creams include centrifugation test, pH value, organoleptic testing, and spreadability. Based on the test, it was found that no phase separation indicates that the cream base showed good homogeneity. The suitable pH values are ranged between weak acid and weak alkaline. The cream consistency depends on the concentration of the base and emulgator. The viscosity is influenced by the presence of fatty acid. And lastly, the therapeutic efficiency of the formulation depends on the spreading value. Formulation of lemongrass antifungal gel consists of lemongrass essential oil, ethyl cellulose, polyvinyl alcohol, carbopol 940, dichloromethane, and double distilled water. The stability tests include macroscopic analysis of formulation, accelerated stability, and physicochemical analysis, freeze-thaw cycle, centrifugation test, spreadability, and pH analysis. It was found that the gel formulation has a smooth texture, white in color that is transparent and homogeneous, and a distinct odor. All of this remained consistent 8 months after development. There was no noticeable instability in the formulation. The formulation's spreadability was high due to its short time spread, and pH of 5 to 5.5 indicated that the formulation was unlikely to cause skin irritation. Lastly, SNEDDS refers to self-nano-emulsifying drug delivery system. The formulation consists of the ratio among virgin coconut oil, lemongrass essential oil, twin 80, and PEG 400. The stability tests include centrifugation tests, heating-cooling cycle tests, freeze-thaw cycle tests, and endurance tests. The results show that there was no phase separation observed, and the SNEDDS shows good durability. In conclusion, as I have mentioned earlier, despite greatly extending lifespans, advances in medical care have contributed to an increase in the fungal infections in population. Therefore, this study is done in order to suppress the problem through the antifungal activity of lemongrass essential oil. It is recommended that researchers carry out additional investigations in order to identify the helpful features of Cymbopogon citratus in humans, particularly in the suppression of fungal infections. These are my references. That is all from me. May this video benefits you in any way, and thank you for your time.